Hey y'all, Mark at Quadrajet Power here. Wanted to talk about kits today and selecting a kit from our website, quadrajetpower.com. When you enter your Quadrajet code number in the search bar on our website, it may pull up 4 different kits. And a lot of people want to know, well, what kit is right for me? Which one should I choose? So here's an overview of the difference in our kits and what we offer for kits. We have kits numbered 2 through 20. This is kit 08. These are the basic kits. They have all the gaskets you need, the complete needle and accelerator pump assembly for today's fuels. It'll have a high flow needle and seat, all the different gaskets and components that you need. These are basic kits, refresh kits. These are similar to what you can get at a parts store, or that you may be used to for getting kits. They fit a variety of different carburetor code numbers, so they have a lot of different, this one's got 2 different air horn gaskets, some different inlet seals and things of that nature. So they fit a variety of different carburetor codes. These are the basic kits. You'll find those listed as a kit 2 to a kit 20. Then we have our custom kits. Kit L1 has everything that the basic kit has. It also includes a float, fuel filter, and this is made specific for your carburetor code number. So it'll have just the gaskets that you need, the inlet gaskets, and anything specific for your carburetor number. Kit L1 has that, plus the float and the fuel filter. All of our kits have the highest quality gaskets and components that we can find today. They're all ethanol compatible, so there's no worry on all those. We also use the non-stick throttle body gaskets, so that's not a problem. Kit L2 is the next step up. Kit L2 is going to have everything that the Kit L1 has. High flow needle and seat, the full accelerator pump assembly. It's made specific for your carburetor. Kit L2 is going to have the bronze bushings for the primary shaft. It's going to have a air valve cam kit with the spring and the screws so you can replace air valve cam. It's going to have a couple of different options for the power piston spring, depending on if it's stock or a modified engine. And it'll have jets and primary rods also. This is the Kit L2, has all these components. So if you want to do a complete rebuild for a stock carburetor for a stock engine, this is the best selection. Gives you all the components to do a real complete rebuild for that carburetor. Kit L3 is the next option. Kit L3 is, we call this our recalibration kit. This has everything you need to set up your carburetor for a modified engine. We'll have the high flow needle and seat, float, of course, all the components that all the other kits, custom kits have. It'll have the throttle body, the primary bronze bushings, air valve cam, the springs. It'll also have the down channel restrictions and idle tubes. Will make these the size needed based on the information you provide when you order the kit. Put in your engine modifications. We'll make these so you can idle correctly with your engine. It'll also have your jets, primary rods, and secondary rods for that engine and the carburetor that you have entered in for us to build it for. All these are the Kit L1, L2, L3 are custom made specific for your carburetor code number. Hope this helps you determine what kit that you need. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@quadrajetpower.com. Just go to our website, enter your Quadrajet code number in the search bar. It'll pull up the kits that you need, or you can search for kit L1, L2, kit L2, or kit L3, and order those from there. Those are our kit options for any Quadrajet. We make kits for any Quadrajet that you might have. Mark@quadrajetpower.com is my email. Quadrajetpower.com for everything you need for your Quadrajet. We've got it. Thanks for watching.